Hi all! As you all know, your teaching and learning have moved online. If you are not prepared, online classes can present unique challenges. But if you develop skills for active online learning, you'll find online learning is more awesome than you think. Here are some tips for online learning success. Tip number 1. Treat an online course like an in-person class. There's no longer a lecturer taking attendance. You need to have discipline. Sit down and tell yourself that you will work on this. Break your study time into sections. Try breaking up study session into smaller segments of 10 to 20 minutes. Devote a specific time of day for your class. Your brain will thank you for it, and you'll find it easier to remember things. Practice time management. Create a weekly schedule and set reminders for yourself. When working on your assignment, try time blocking, allotting yourself a certain amount of time for each task before moving on to the next. Tip number 4. Create a regular study space and stay organized. Establish a routine by setting up a dedicated learning environment for studying. Create a space that makes you feel studious, energetic, and focused. Setting up a regular study space will also help you to stay organized. Tip number 5. Eliminate distractions. It is undeniable that you'll be faced with many distractions that can quickly derail your studies, be it social media or washing dishes. Turn off your cell phone to avoid losing focus, and be sure to clear your tasks before starting your online class. Tip number 6. Figure out how you learn best. Not everyone learns the same way, so think about what types of information help you best grasp new concepts and employ study strategies. Tip number 7. Actively participate. Participate in the course's online forum to help you better understand the topic and engage with fellow classmates. If the lecturer has a dedicated slot for synchronous teaching and learning, be ready by going through the content before the session. Maintain your pace. Find a study buddy whose work ethic you admire and set up an online review session with them. You will be able to stay motivated if you have focused and successful people around you. Tip number 9. Take your own notes. When listening to an online lecture, don't rely on getting notes from the lecturers. Jot down information conveyed through the video or any parts that you might not understand. This helps you better understand the topic. 10. Ask for help. If you're studying and realize you don't understand a concept or theory, don't hesitate to reach out to your lecturers. There's no such thing as a stupid question. When in doubt, ask. Tip number 11. Stay mentally and physically healthy. You will be likely to spend more time on your computers or mobile phones, making it imperative to take breaks. Take a shower, stretch your body, get the recommended amount of sleep, and don't forget to eat. Ultimately, the best way to be successful as an online student is to figure out what works for you and stick to it. Best of luck!